The Quick Way Coffee Cup Mockup in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and open Image. Go to the Select Object Selection tool from the toolbar and click on the lasso of the top. Then selection the cup. I do this. Then go to the Layer menu and click on the New to Layer via Copy. Then go to the Select Rectangular tool and create a shape and stoke color off and make a fill color black. Right click, click on the Convert to Smart Object. Also decrease the opacity. Press Ctrl T. Right click and select Distort and adjust the shape. Again right click and select the warp and click on the warp of the top and select the cylinder. Also adjust the shape. And double click Smart icon on the layer. Then go to the File menu and click on the Place Embedded and place Image and adjust the image. Then go to the File menu and click on the Save. Right click and select Close. Also increase the opacity. Right click, click on the Create Clipping Mask. Change blending mode, normal to multiply. Click on the X icon and select blending option. Press Alt key on the right side. Now we mock up coffee cup in Photoshop.